Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about something that can really make your code stand out, and that is writing clean and well documented code. So, what does clean code mean? A clean code is code that's easy to read, easy to understand, and of course, easy to change. It's kind of like having a clean room. Everything is in the right place, and you can find what you need quickly, right? Let's go over some simple tips that I wanted to share with you to help you write clean Python code. So it will look really nice on your GitHub profile. And the number one tip is use clear and meaningful names. Avoid names like X or Y. Instead, use names that tell what the variable or function actually does. Tip number two, use spaces and line breaks. Spaces and blank lines make your code easier to read. Don't put everything on one line. Give each part of your code its own space so it's neat and clear.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Tip number three, write comments, which is very important. A comment is a short sentence that explains what a part of your code is doing. In Python, comments start with a hash symbol like this. Hash, this function adds two numbers. Even if your code is simple, comments help others. All right, let's talk about tip number four. Keep your functions short. Each function should do just one job. Yep. If a function gets too long, break it into smaller, easier to manage pieces. All right, tip number five, remove unused code. If you have code that isn't being used anymore, please just simply delete it. Leaving it there can make your program a little confusing. All right, then tip number six, follow Python's style rules that we have talked about many times in our course. Python has a style guide called PEP or PEP8, spelled PEP and the number 8. It shows the best way to format your code properly. If you don't remember it, I would encourage you to go back to the course, to the lecture where we talked about this formatting. It shows that best way to format your code properly. There are tools like Black and Flake8 that help you check and fix your code automatically. All right, now let's talk about documentation. Documentation means writing extra text that explains how your code works. This is especially useful when you are building projects for your portfolio. Here are a few things that you can document. For example, what the project does, how it runs, what each part of the code is for, or what kind of input and output your code expects. You can write this in README file or directly in your code using comments or Docstrings. Writing clean, well documented code shows employers that you care about quality. It makes your projects look more professional and help others understand and use your work. In the next video, we'll talk about how learning other technology can make your Python skills even more powerful. Let's keep learning together.